Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'm just going to talk to you about Laisterbridge Student Village in Bradford. This is not the one we spoke about yesterday. This is Unit B, Trinity B, in Laisterbridge, and just going to talk you through the details here. 0.6 million freehold. Rental income is 262,000, giving a yield circa 10.1% plus, fully managed. The discounted price is 1.9 million freehold, representing a yield of circa 14%. Just a few illustrations of the usual student pictures, people studying out in the fresh air near the college buildings. So this is an overview of Trinity Hall B. There's a site plan where you can see the building referenced. The purchase price, 2.9 million, would require a letter of intent and proof of funds. Income is 262,000 approximately, yield of circa 10.1%. Discounted purchase price is 1.9 million freehold, representing a yield of circa 14%. Trinity Hall B has 80 rooms in total, 76 standard plus rooms, plus 2 ensuite rooms, plus one bedroom flat and a shower room. Typical cluster flats as per the floor plans, average square foot room size 100 square feet. All room prices including heating, hot water, Wi-Fi, gas and electric, shared kitchen facility on each floor. Value added, rooms could do with a light refurb, so that's rental income will increase by 20% plus. Management on site, security on site, parking facility on site, modern shared kitchen facility, new boilers on each floor, 8 to 10 minutes walk to Bradford University and Town Centre, plenty of shops, restaurants and cafes in the local area in walking distance, a gym 3 minutes walk and a modern building. This is the building room schedule here. 2 ensuite, 76 standard plus, 1 showroom, one bedroom flat. And then the breakdown in rental schedule, weekly rents ranging up to £80 a week, monthly rental, up to £138 a week. The normal room size is 65, and there are some enhanced spec rooms, so that gives monthly rent £346, £281.66, £325 or £600, giving a gross monthly rental income 21,833, annual income 261,996. So potential rental schedule based on 100% occupancy is £25,993, or annually that's £311,919. Running costs are also shown here, totaling 76,000. That's maintenance cost 15,000, management fees 5,000, gas 13,787, and electric 24,644, water 17,783. All those services figures need review following recent energy price rises. This is the flat numbers, flat types, schedule, and what the current rental income is and who it's let to as professional rent or student let. These are more of the schedule of rooms. A few illustrations of the block itself and the location, and an OS map just showing the position bottom right hand corner. Student village, this gives isometric just to show which blocks are allocated where. Student village accommodation, super fast Wi-Fi, gas, electric, water, 24/7 security, council tax, maintenance, free parking, on-site team, barbecue area, 24-hour laundrette. This is the reception area, and these are just some illustrations of the amenities, similar to the other block that we looked at in the other video. Free car park, student village, outdoor sports areas, indoor amenities as well. It's a valuable investment, appreciating asset. There's been a large investment in University of Bradford, and here are the local, national or international travel statistics to Manchester, Newcastle, Birmingham, Edinburgh, London, 210 minutes. And then the local distances by road as well. There are buses and nearby train station, and there's an airport not far away. So here's like a testimonial from Laura Jones, some of the cultural aspects of Bradford: theatre, sculpture, trail and art, Horton Park, unrivaled heritage, Bradford Cathedral, bars and clubs, and plan of things to do in Bradford, all quite local to where the university campus is. So this is Trinity Hall B, just in outline, standard room, what it looks like. These are the schedules of rooms again. Isometric, showing the cutouts of the rooms on each level. 3 levels, 4 levels, and the investment highlights. So it's obviously a resource which is much in demand, since it's near to the university, so there's no possibility that there would be lack of demand in that location. These are the terms and conditions. So that's the outline of Trinity B at Laisterbridge in Bradford, Yorkshire, United Kingdom. If you want to talk to me about this or any of the other deals that we have on our website, then give me a call. That's Alan on +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.